How to use vanishing point effectively in Photoshop. A vanishing point is a single point on the horizon line in an image where parallel lines converge to give the illusion of depth. Vanishing points are an integral concept in linear perspective techniques that were popularized by influential painters and artists during the Renaissance. Create a new layer and type the required text. After that, rasterize the text layer. Select the text and cut or copy. Don't unselect the layer. Go to Filter menu and choose Vanishing Point. And draw the vanishing points. Drag the text into the vanishing point. Use the transform tool to adjust the text. Don't unselect the layer. Go to blending options. Alt plus click to break the slider. Thank you.